In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add padding to your designs using Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use padding can make a significant difference in your UI UX design work. In this tutorial, we'll break down the process into straightforward steps to ensure you can integrate padding into your designs with ease. First, you're going to open up your browser and head over to Figma's website. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's widely used for creating intuitive and responsive web and mobile designs. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, there are easy sign-up options available on the home page. Now that you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of Figma. This is your command center for all things design, allowing you easy access to your recent files and the sharing options for collaboration. From this home screen, you'll want to navigate to the design section. Think of this as the workspace where all your creative magic happens. Within the design section, locate the frame tool. Frames in Figma are quite similar to artboards in other design software. They serve as containers for your design elements. Clicking on the frame tool will allow you to start defining the boundaries of your design layout. As you hover over your canvas, click to place your frame. This will give you a defined area to begin working with. The next step involves adding an auto layout to your frame. To do this, you'll want to right-click on your frame. A context menu will appear from which you need to select the option Add Auto Layout. This is a particularly powerful feature in Figma that allows you to create responsive designs by automating spacing, alignment, and distribution of elements within your frames. After setting up the auto layout, our focus shifts to padding. Padding is the space between the content of your frame and its boundary. It ensures that your content looks tidy and well organized by avoiding elements crammed up against the edges. Find the padding settings in the auto layout panel, click on it, and you'll see options to adjust the top, right, bottom, and left padding values. You can tweak these values based on the design requirements and ensure that everything within your frame looks perfectly spaced. And that's it. You've just added padding to your design in Figma. This process is not only quick, but also enhances the visual comfort and functionality of your design. Remember, adding appropriate padding can significantly improve user experience by making your interface clean and user-friendly. Keep experimenting with different padding values to see what works best for your design needs. Thank you for watching today's video. Happy designing!